I'll tell you something that was really weird. It was really creepy. We were at a new flat decorating when she said, "I think I'll make a will."
Joe? I think the most weirdest things at times. What else do you want to make a will for?
I don't know, I just feel I should. I mean, if anything happens to me now I've got this flat, there might be a bit of money involved. And I'd want your Leanne to have it.
What, you think you're going to die then? Oh, come, you can't be serious.
Well, you don't know this, but Denise did my tarot cards twice last week. And I got the death one both times.
Joe, you should muck about with things like that. I won't go near Denise's house, let alone do that. Her house is that really creepy one like I have Nightmare on Elm Street.
Don't be so stupid. What could happen to you?
Well, if that was me, that'd be it. I don't know, I'd be walking about like the doomsday, but wondering when it's going to happen to me.
Oh, don't be silly. Look, Denise said it doesn't necessarily mean that you personally are going to die. It could mean the death of a relationship.
But aren't you scared?
No! Why? Should I be?
A couple of weeks later, Jo had been to meet some bloke. I can't remember his name, but she was coming back from his house really late at night when she got pulled up by the police on the M11 going back to a new flat in Dunmow. Well, she phoned me up. It must have been about 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning.
It's me.
What the hell do you want?
Can you come and pick me up?
Well, where are you?
At Saffron Walden Police Station.
Well, what have you done?
I got stopped for drinking and driving, and they won't let me drive my car home because I'm still over the limit and I've got to get to work.
All right, stay where you are, I'll come and get you. Well, I went over there, I picked her up and I took her to work, and then I took her back in the evening to get her car. She didn't seem all that bothered about it, really. What are you going to do? How are you going to get to work if you're banned?
I don't know. I'll have to think of a way around it when I've been to court.
There's not a lot of transport from Dunmow to Epping, is there?
Don't worry. Look, Alison goes into Epping about the same time. She'll give me a lift.
Well, how much you had to drink?
Just the usual. Some wine, not a lot.
Don't you see? Don't you see? You'll be banned. You were well over the limit.
Judy, you're more worried about it than I am. Look, I don't want anyone else to know about this. I want you to promise me you won't tell Mum. You know what she's like. It'll make her worry, and it's not necessary.
Okay, then. One week later, we had the accident.